On today's video, we're going to be talking about the BioLite Smokeless Grill. What is really nice about this grill is you are able to burn wood or charcoal. This grill is one of my favorites so far. The legs will actually collapse down, which makes the unit smaller and easier to travel. If you take a look on the outside here, you'll see an orange box. That orange box is actually a power pack. Inside that power pack is a fan that has 3 different settings. What that fan does is it creates more airflow within the unit to make your flame bigger or smaller. On the side here, you're able to see that this represents how much power is left inside of the power pack. This gray flap is where you're able to charge the power pack. You can also see that there's a USB charging port on the outside. With that charging port, you are able to recharge your phone or any other devices that need to be powered or charged up by a USB. You simply push the little gray button on the top and the battery pack comes off. Another great item we got with this BioLite grill was their fire mat. With the BioLite fire mat, you don't have to worry about where you grill. The fire mat will help you prevent any type of heat transfer from the grill to the ground. What is really nice about this grill is how easy it is to start. Right now we are on level 3 as far as how much air is being put into the system. There is an airflow system on the bottom and one at the top on each side. Now in the description it does say that this is a smokeless grill. I personally would not call it a true smokeless grill. I think it does a really good job about dispersing the smoke, but there is still smoke that comes out of this grill. With the BioLite grill, there comes a grill rack that you can easily attach on the top, which you can put your hot dogs, hamburgers, or even a steak on there. Now, one of my favorite things about this grill is that you can roast marshmallows wherever you want to, whenever you want to, with whoever you want to. So make sure you have your friends and family over. Take this thing to the beach, to the mountains, wherever you want to. Have a grill, have a fire. Just enjoy the great outdoors.